Hey, what's going on? It's Jason Lucchese and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you are here. We just got done doing a bunch of stuff this past weekend, sharing a ton of information. If you have not seen those videos, you are truly missing out on some remarkable information that will help skyrocket your profits in your business. I'll put the links below so that you could check that out after this video is done. We're going to be covering today how you could find distressed landlords. Tired landlords right now that aren't receiving that rent money every single month due to what's going on in the market today. So one of the things that we can be doing as real estate investors is talking to those individuals, seeing if they would like to sell. And there is a really great website out there that I'm going to share with you in just a moment. Also, too, make sure you stay tuned all the way until the end. I've got a very special surprise for you. It's a free document that I want to give to you that's helped us out immensely, and it's going to help you out too with your real estate investing business. So one of the things that I want to share with you before we hop into everything is just showing you why I think going after and helping landlords right now with liquidating their properties is going to be something that's huge.
I was the least likely to succeed out my high school mates, and I was written off by my teachers at a really young age. Nearly bankrupt in 2008. No, I couldn't get a job because of my low grades. I invested in real estate, now I'm really in my bag. I got food on my plate, I got money to make, doing business at a high level. I thank God I've been successful. It's Jason Lucchese. Jason is a real inspiration. He's a great example of people not believing in you, people doubting you, people hating on you. You know what? He had no excuses. He went right there and did it. Now he on top. You know what I mean? It's Jason Lucchese.
Hey, if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure that you become a subscriber by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click this little notification bell, click all, and then once you do that, you're going to receive instant notifications of whenever we have a brand new video released just like this one. As you can see, terrified banks may trigger an $11 trillion US housing market crash. We're not the only ones that are seeing this. There's other individuals as well. Recently, Wells Fargo came out, Chase came out, and they've all said that they're limiting what individuals can do when they come to their bank. So this is going to be a huge problem. We're already starting to see and hear about as soon as the market opens, evictions are going to go up, notice of defaults are going to go up. The mortgage forbearances that are out there are not going to be helping folks, or for that matter, majority of US Americans, because not a lot of people are going to be able to pay the balloon that is going to happen once the forbearance is kicked in. Some individuals are going to have 1, 2, 3 payments on that balloon, and they're not going to be able to pay it. So that's going to be a huge problem. And individuals that have rental properties with mortgages on them are going to be primed for individuals like us to step up to the plate and be able to help out. So let me show you the site that I'm talking about that you could find individuals right now that are looking to sell their properties potentially just by having you reach out and give them a call. So let's hop into it. Here's the website we like. It's called Go Section 8. You could head on over there, gosection8.com, and this is going to have all of the listings for individuals that have a Section 8 voucher. Now, most of the time the vouchers are not necessary on these properties. This is just a site for landlords to hop into, place their properties, and get individuals that have that Section 8 voucher so that they can get into a property. One of the things that we've been seeing on this site is that there is individuals that are property owners. This isn't just a site for big management companies to go on and list their properties, but this is also a really great website that you can use for finding owners. So let's hop into this first property here. You're going to be able to see that some of them are from companies. So this is Midwest Rental on this particular property. And then you've got other properties that we could scroll down, we could take a look at. Some of these properties are going to be apartments, condos, townhouses. It depends on exactly what you want to go after. If you have cash buyers that are only wanting single family properties, then you come up here, click on house, and then you click on this little magnifying glass right here, and it's going to bring up all of the houses. So that's one of the things that you could do in order to search for particular individuals that you want to contact. So let me scroll down here. I'll find an individual on this particular property. And here's another person that just prefers text messaging. So you can find out if this property is still for sale. And you could also find some other ways as well. So let's take a look at some other properties here. So as you can see, this property right here is maintained by a gentleman by the name of Kenneth. And he has this property at 33rd Street. And this is a particular opportunity to where you could give him a call, see if he's interested in selling. And if he's not, there's always another opportunity. You can see if this individual wants to be a buyer as well. So one of the things that I wanted to share with you on today's video is a clip of me actually making a phone call. I made several phone calls to everybody on Go Section 8 today. And what I wanted to do was share with you exactly what I say, how I say it, and if this doesn't work out for me, I've got a plan that I could at least get that person to be a buyer on my buyers list. So one of the things that I want to share with you is even if this person isn't ready right now to sell, that's completely fine. Don't get blown up about it. Don't start thinking, oh my gosh, I'm gonna not get any deals from this. You will get deals, but also you're gonna get some amazing buyers that you know already have properties. So here's the clip. I want to share it with you. Let me know what you think. Here it is.
Hello.
Hi, is available?
Yeah, this is he.
Hey, I was calling about your property that you have on Tacoma, and I wanted to see if it was still available.
No, it's not available anymore.
Oh, okay. You found somebody to rent that out to?
No, I decided not to rent it.
Oh, okay. Well, the other thing I was giving you a call for is if you guys are at all interested in selling that property. I'm an investor in town, and we're looking to get some rental properties. So, is that something that you might be considering at this point?
No, not at the moment.
Okay. Also, just one last question: are you guys looking to buy any properties at all?
You got anything that would be a good flip?
We do. We have some good rehabs coming aboard in the next couple of days. We have some under contract right now, and I could get you some prices sent over to you.
Okay, well, I'm looking for my next fix and flip.
Okay. Is this a good, is this your cell phone?
It is.
Okay. Could I send you a text message and we could exchange your email from there, and I'll get you on our list?
No problem.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Talk to you later.
Take care. Bye. Okay, great. So you just got done listening to that clip. I'm really curious. What did you think of that? Was it a hard call? Was it something that you might feel uncomfortable doing? Or did you think it was easy? Do you think I was straining at all when I was talking to this individual? Drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to get your feedback on if you feel like, hey, that was something I can do. If Jason was doing that, trust me, somebody that barely graduated high school, no college degree, I just have this feeling I just like talking to folks. And if you are one of those individuals that, is still in your shell, get yourself comfortable with being uncomfortable and just start talking to people. You're talking to them over the phone. You're not talking to them face to face. I'm talking to my iPhone right now, so I don't think it gets much more uncomfortable than that. So all you need to do is just pick up the phone and talk to the individual. If you screw up, you screw up. And if you do that, you're going to learn from your mistakes and you're going to have great phone calls moving forward. So what I would highly recommend, highly encourage that you do is get onto this Go Section 8 website, start looking at the individuals on there, the properties that you would like to go after, properties that you feel like your buyers would like to get from you. And you can get them at really great prices. All you need to do is really just focus. Spend an hour every day, just go on here and make the calls. And once you start getting in that routine, that rhythm, you're going to start finding some really great ideal properties. And you don't need to just stick to one particular area from a geographical standpoint. As you can see, I only pulled up stuff in Indianapolis on here. There's other areas all within what's called Marion County, Hamilton County that I could be going after and not have any problems with calling people on a daily basis. Some of these folks have multiple properties, which could lead to multiple opportunities for you. And these folks, when you start calling them, you can put together a cash buyers list pretty simple. One of the things that we did on Friday, this past Friday, what we talked about was how to find cash buyers using LinkedIn. And I shared a very cool hack that you can use. It's absolutely free to use on LinkedIn's platform. You don't have to pay for a premium membership or anything like that. You just simply go on there, use this hack, and you could put together a really great cash buyers list. On top of that, you could use Go Section 8 and you could put together an even bigger and stronger list because you know these people already have properties. So this is great. You could implement it immediately into your business. The other thing I wanted to do on this video is I wanted to talk about our notice of option to purchase. It's a really great way for you to get equitable interest in properties and be able to sell them the right way on the internet, because a lot of people think they could just put a purchase and sales agreement together and that gives them the right to put that on Craigslist, on Facebook, on eBay, wherever. So with that notice of option contract, we've been using it for years and I would love to give you a copy of it. All I need you to do is give us a thumbs up. Make sure you drop a comment below saying, yes, I would love to have the notice of option contract, and I'll include it on our Wednesday video. A lot of folks reach out, they're like, hey, where did the download go? It's in the description box, so it won't be on today's video, but I'll put it on Wednesday if we get enough people showing us support with the thumbs up and with a comment saying, hey, I would love to get your notice of option contract. I'll share it with you absolutely free, no charge. All that I ask is that you just give us some love on the page so that we could smash that YouTube algorithm, get this information out to more people, and be able to help. Hey, if you enjoyed today's video, if you're brand new to the channel, you now know exactly where to find tired landlords, individuals that want to get rid of their rental properties, because right now is such a big problem. You can get rid of properties very quickly as long as they have the right people to talk to, which is going to be us. So go ahead, be that individual. Start using GoSection8.com so that you could implement it into your business and you can start having people to call every single day. And if you want to, you could start doing that for us as well. If you're an individual that wants to do some bird dogging for us and you can find some properties for us, we'll be more than happy to pay you out handsomely on profits that we generate from those deals, because we already have a really big buyers list. But we don't create these videos for exactly that. We create them so that you could do this in your own business, but we would love to work with some of our individuals out there that enjoy seeing our videos, give us some really great comments and feedback. So if that is you, you would like to do that, drop a comment below. Would love to hear from you. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you become a subscriber. We would love to have you on the channel. We get videos out Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We're going over some amazing topics that we find out from you guys what is going to be helpful, how it's going to benefit your business, what's going to put money in your pocket, and what's going to give you that ultimate freedom that you deserve within your business. So with that being said, thank you for watching today. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment, especially if you would like to receive a copy of that notice of option. I would love to share it with you. It's an amazing contract. Hopefully everybody was able to receive the letter of intent document that we shared, because that was a really cool document that you could use. We'll be coming up with a video on that soon so you know exactly how to use that. But thank you so much for tuning in today, my friends. I will talk to you guys on Wednesday. And if you need anything, I will personally be responding to everybody below in the comment section. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye now.